Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of elegant crystal and pearl candle holders. So what you're going to need some of these teardrop pendants from Efavormart. You'll also need some of these faux pearls from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you will need 2 of these fluted candle holders. And if you can't find this shape, or if you have another shape in mind, you can use whatever shape you like. You'll also need 1 pack of these round glass Tealight holders. They come in a pack of 2. If you can't find these round shaped Tealight holders, you can use whatever shape they have in stock. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any of these components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I use any additional items, I will also have those listed in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these crystal and pearl candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? They were so easy to make. I did decide to go ahead and add some of the bulk rhinestone embellishment pack with pearls from Totally Dazzled. And I will have Totally Dazzled's information in the description box below for you guys as well. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with these. Okay, you guys, there you have it. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I would like to thank you all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.